Text. In 2013, 49 elementary schools were closed in Chicago, the largest mass school closing in America. Protesters carrying umbrellas marched down a rainy Chicago street lined with barren trees. Text. The majority of those school closings occurred in Black and Latinx neighborhoods. Chicago police officers stand in front of a large two-story home as the protesters march through a residential street. Text. A 5-year moratorium on city school closings has now expired. A woman standing on her porch watches the protesters march by. The protesters stop outside the two-story home. Text. Among those newly targeted by the city, the high-performing, predominantly black school, National Teachers Academy, NTA. A black woman in a winter coat speaks into a megaphone.
I'm not here to speak about how the destruction of NTA and the forced eviction of our high-achieving students